Hello students, welcome to Power Classes. So today we will have the revision of the third chapter, that is pair of linear equations in two variables. So before going to the exercise, let me show small important points. That is, we have two linear equations, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So to find the solution of these two linear equations, we have three conditions. That is, for suppose a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. If this condition is occurring, then it's an indication that exactly it has only one solution. For example, another case, that is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then those two are coincident lines. Since it is on the same line, then it has infinite solutions. Whereas a third case, that is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2, then it's a parallel lines and it has no solution. You have to remember this. We have three important points here. So let's go to the exercise. 3.1 is saying that form the pair of linear equations and find the solutions graphically. So the first question, it is saying the total students are 10, whereas girls 4 more than boys. So for this, let's consider girls as x and boys as y. The first condition, total is 10. So boys plus girls is 10, that is x plus y equal to 10. The second condition is girls are 4 more than boys, that is x, that is girls equal to 4 more than boys, so y plus 4. The first condition in sense x plus y equal to 10, which is first equation, x equal to, that is girls equal to y plus 4, boys plus 4. So now just move the y from right side to left side, it will become minus 4, so x minus y equal to 4. So we have two equations now. So how to represent graphically? So let's see, this is the first equation, the second equation. So graphical is very easy topic. So what you have to do, just prepare one small table with two variables. So you write first as x, second as y here is 10 minus x. So just you can do any numbers, but my suggestion is always go with 0 or 1 or minus 1 or 0. That will be easy to graph. So let's go with x as 0. If you keep x as 0 here, 10 minus 0 is 10, and x as 1, 10 minus 1 is 9. In the second equation, x minus equal to 4. So here y will become x minus 4, that is minus 4 plus x, both are same. So if x is 0, then minus 4 plus 0, it is minus 4. If x has 1, minus 4 plus 1. Small correction, that is if you keep x as 1, it will become minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3. So we have two equations with table 0, x0 is 1, y10. So before that, take a graph sheet. So graph sheet, in this you have to, the main important for the graph sheet is to maintain the scale. That is, for my convenience, I have written x-axis 1 cm equal to 0.5 unit and y-axis 1 cm equal to 0.5 unit. So this is horizontal is x and vertical is y. So in this graph sheet, you can see there will be vertical graphs like this, vertical lines as well as horizontal lines. So between, just dark it at the center, at the same time horizontal also you can dark it one line, that will become x, as well as vertical become y. So each unit, that is points, you can just mark it as 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and so on. Just write 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit in your graph case. For my convenience, I have written 1 centimeter equal to 0.5 unit. And so how to plot the graph? So x 0 and y as 10. So x is 0 here. So if x is 0, we have y as 10, this point. And x is 1, y as 1. So x is 1, y as 9. So this is the point. So you have 2 points. So just take a scale and just join those 2 points and draw a line. Similarly, for the second line, that is x minus y equal to 4, x equal to 0, y is minus 4. x 0, y is minus 4 is this one. Next one is y minus 3. x1, y minus 3 is this point. So I'm just marking these 2 points and marking a line. So the point where these two lines are intersecting is this point. So just draw a shaded line or a dotted line. You can find that x value is 7, whereas y value is 3. So the solution of these two linear equations is number of girls, that is x equal to 7, and number of boys, y equal to 3. You can also verify it by using these equations. Substitute x equal to 7 here and y equal to 3, x plus y, that is 7 plus 3 equal to 10, satisfying. The same way second condition, x minus y equal to 4, that is 7 minus 3 equal to 4. This is also satisfying. So our condition is correct. The second question, it is showing using a1 by a2, b1 by a2, c1 by c2, find lines are parallel or concurrent or coincident. So this condition already I have explained. For parallel lines, it should be this condition, that is parallel lines, it should be this condition. So a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. For coincident, all three should be equal. And if it is a1 by 2 not equal to b1 by b2, then you have only one solution, that is concurrent. So let's see for this case. It is showing a1 as 5 and a2 as 7, minus 4 by 6 and 8 by minus 9. We can also write as minus 8 by 9. So now we can see that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, the first condition. It has only exactly one solution, that is only one intersecting point, like this. So we can say those are concurrent lines. The second question, 9x plus 3y equal to 4 and 18. So you can see here a1 by 2 equal to 9 by 18, that is 1 by 2. b1 by b2 will become 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is 12 by 24. This is also 1 by 2. So all three are same. In sense, these are parallel lines. Sorry, my bad. If all three are same, it should be coincident lines. If C1 is, and if it is not equal to C1 by C2, then it is parallel lines. So I am explaining once again here. The parallel lines are this case, like this. A1 by 2 equal to B1 by 2 not equal to C1 by C2. Intersecting lines are consistent, that is one intersecting point, like this. This is another line. For this, it is the condition is like A1 by 2 is not equal to B1 by B2. And we have coincident lines, that is exactly same line. So for this, it is exactly same, that is a1 by 2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. And it is, we say, non-consistent, and they have infinite intersecting points because it is on the same line. We have each point can be considered as one point, so it is infinite points. Let's see another question. That is 3x plus 2y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 7. a1 by 2 will become 3 by 2, b1 by 2 is minus 2 by 3. So both are not equal, so it is consistent. That is this case. In the next case, that is 5x minus 3y equal to 11 and minus 10x plus 6y equal to 22. a1 by 2 will be 1 minus 1 by 2, b1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, c1 by c2 is minus 1 by 2. So it is non-consistent because we have infinite points. Let's see the fourth question. Find below linear equation consistent or not and find the solution graphically. So first we need to find out whether it is consistent or not. So in this case, a1 by 2 become 2 by 1. Okay. a1 by 2 will become 2 by 4. I'm sorry guys. This will become 1 by 2, whereas b1 by b2 will become 1 by minus 2, that is minus 1 by 2. So anyway, this case also, it is a1 by 2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So if as both are not equal, it is consistent. So let's plot it. So 2x plus y equal to minus 6 equal to 0 and y equal to 6 minus 2x. Whereas 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 become 4x minus 4 equal to 2y, then y equal to 4x minus 2 by 2, that is 2x minus 2. In the same way, x and y, 0 and 1, 0 and 1. So x0, if we substitute here, it becomes 6 minus 0, it is 6. And x as 1 will become 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Whereas for y, if x is 0, then 2 into 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. And x as 1, 2 into 1 minus 2, that is 0. So just same way, mark it. And here also I have used the same scale, that is x-axis I have taken as 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, sorry 0.5 unit, and y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 0.5 unit. But in your case, you can change it to 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit and do the sum as you have graph sheet. So here the same, x as 0, then y will be 6, and x as 1, y will be 4. So I have just joined these two, using these 2 points I have intersected and created a line. Whereas for second case, that is x equal to 0, y minus 2, and x as 1, y 0. Using these 2 points I have marked another line. So these 2 lines are intersecting at one point, that is 2, 2, the solution is 2, 2. Next, same way, given you have, okay, they always given the equation of line. Write another equation such that it is intersecting line. So for intersecting, what is the condition? a1 by 2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. So take any other case such that I am taking an easy example, that is just changing the a1 and b1 values, that is will become 3x plus 5 equal to 5. So I am just verifying because 2 by 3 is not equal to 3 by 5. So this is the intersecting line. The same way for parallel lines, a1 by 2 equal to b1 by b2, it is not equal to c1 by c2. So it will become 2x plus 3y equal to 9 is correct, as it will be correct because a1 by 2 is equal to b1 by 2, whereas it is not equal to c1 by c2. for coincident lines, a1 by 2 equal to b1 by 2 equal to c1 by 2. So this should be the perfect example. So after this video, I'll just complete with exercise 3.2 and upload that video as well. So we'll join once again. Thank you.